Chapter 12, Introduction to Presentation. We all know about presentation. We already learned PowerPoint presentation in our standard 7 or 8. Now we learn about OpenOffice ORG Impress program, which is same as a PowerPoint. First, the advantage of using presentation. We all know the advantage of PowerPoint. So, first, incorporate a person shows his idea to a group of people using presentation. With the help of presentation, we can give our view to large number of group. With the help of presentation, we apply presentation on projector, and with the help of this we can present our ideas. Today presentation is highly used in teaching. Several concepts which may be difficult to explain can easily taught using presentation. For example, teacher want to explain digestive system of human being. A complete digestive system using picture and animation can be shown very effectively using presentation. Okay, with the help of presentation you can teach digestive system very easily. Model of actual building or a machine or any complex system can easily created and explained. It may cost us very high otherwise if model are prepared using cardboard and other material. Printing of presentation created using computer is also possible. So, the advantage of presentation is you can give your view to, you can represent your view to mass of people in very easy method. Introduction to Impress. OpenOffice ORG presentation program is called Impress. In presentation, slides are created and can have many different objects like bullet, number, list, text, table, picture, chart, and wide range of graphic objects contained in it. Okay, we can add chart, we can add bullets and numbering. We already learn in our writer program. We can add picture, graphics in Impress program. So our presentation is became more attractive and more understand and user friendly. Impress have features like spelling checker, tracer, package, text style, attractive background style, etc. similar to the feature available in Writer. जो फीचर्स राइटर में है जैसे कि स्पेलिंग चेक और टेक्स्ट स्टाइल, बैकग्राउंड, वो सब हम यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू ओपन अ इम्प्रेस. If we use a Linux operating system, then application menu, Office and OpenOffice Impress program. But we can open same program with our Windows operating system. First, starting Impress and creating a new presentation. Okay. First, OpenOffice. We first open our program. This is a presentation. Okay. First, presentation wizard. You all know about wizard. Wizard is a ready-made structure. You have to just click next and create button. First is an empty presentation. That means you can modify by yourself. Presentation slide are empty. Second is a from templates. And last, templates. You can see there is a different type of templates. Templates means ready-made. I have only two templates. Ready-made, design. And last is a open an existing presentation. First we click on empty presentation. Now we click on next button. Okay, after click on next button, you can see here is a slide design, black and white, border, blue line, gradient. Okay, so just click for background, select an output medium. Our output medium is screen or a slide. Okay, now after select slide design, click on next button. Now there is an option of slide transition. What is slide transition? Okay, here is a no effect. I give a effect. See this is a preview. How your slide appear on your screen is called slide transition. Default automatic. You can apply slide transition automatic after one slide. So you can give a duration with the help of this option. Now click on create button. This way we can create slide. You can see here this is a screen of our Impress program, and we all know the first thing is a title bar, second thing is a menu bar, third is a standard toolbar, and fourth is a formatting toolbar. Okay, here is a slide pane. With the help of you can add slide here. This is a layout. So see this we already learn in practical. This is a screen. Okay, see here this is a layout. This is a slide pane. Okay, with the help of this button you can hide and show layout and slide pane, task pane and layout. Workspace, in the middle area you can see the workspace, hide, show marker. We already done this. Slide pane, first part is a slide pane. One of the three part of main Impress window is a slide pane. Slide pane Impress विंडो के 3 पार्ट में से एक है. दिस पार्ट contains smaller picture of slide of your presentation. The smaller picture of your actual slide are called thumbnail. So see here, this is our slide, but small picture of slide you can see in slide pane. So this is called thumbnail. The all slide you can see in a small size in this area. The thumbnail are in the same order of a slide of your presentation. The order of slide can be changed. Clicking on slide in this pane, the slide will be selected as current slide and will be placed in workspace. When a slide, you can edit it as per your need. Several additional operations can be carried out on current slide or on selected slide or on slide simultaneously in the slide pane. Some of the common operations are listed below. Okay. You can copy, you can paste, you can change the order, you can add a new slide, you can delete slide. These all operations we can do. Next is a task pane. Second main part of the Impress screen is a task pane. It have 5 sections. They are master page, layout, table design, custom animation and slide transition. Any one of these 5 sections can be seen in full view at a time. To view the task pane, click on right positioning on triangle. So you can change You can change by clicking this option. If you want layout, click on here. This is animation. This is a slide transition. So there is so many options. Now master page. Every slide in a presentation has exactly one slide master. Slide master determines the text formatting style for title and outline. If we want same style to our all slide, we can give a master page option. So जो इफेक्ट आपने मास्टर पेज में दी है वो इफेक्ट आप सब स्लाइड में देख सकते हैं. If you select this option, you will find many predefined slide in master page. Okay, so next is a layout. Layout, there is different type of layout. We can use layout as per our requirement. If you want first slide blank, you can click on this. This is a title slide. This is a title with content. If you want detail in two parts, so you can click on this. So this way you can design your slide with the help of different layouts. Table design. If you want to give a design, so you have to click on that particular part. Next is a custom animation and slide transition. That is both same as our PowerPoint presentation. You all know what is custom animation. When we give a effect to a single object, that is called a custom animation. And what is slide transition? This slide transition effect applied during the movement from one slide to another. जब एक स्लाइड जाती है और दूसरी आती है तो वो पूरे स्लाइड की मूवमेंट को हम स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन बोलते हैं. So this is called slide transition. Next is a third and central part of a screen is called workspace. Okay, the content of slide is displayed here. So this is our workspace. When we can write, we can insert picture, chart, all the thing. That is called the middle part of screen is called workspace. So this is a main part of our screen of Impress program. Thank you.